Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy 2018. I'm sorry I didn't post a video last week, but as you can probably tell by my disgusting voice, I'm still getting over a really bad cold from Christmas. But I am back. I am ready to start 2018 off right. And this week I have a celebrity makeup tutorial for you guys. I am going to be showing you how to get Khloe Kardashian's pregnancy debut look from the Ellen show last week. So if you guys would like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. I'm starting off with my eyebrows already on. If you guys would like to see a tutorial on how I do that, I will leave that linked up above in the I button as well as down below in the description. I'm just going to throw some tape on the edges of my eyes and we'll get started. To start off, I'm going to use my Morphe 350 palette. I'm going to pick up a big fluffy blending brush and this light orange shade and spread that all in my crease from outer corner to inner corner. With a smaller blending brush, I'm then going to pick up this more vibrant orange and place that directly underneath that lighter shade. Using the original blending brush, I'm then going to go over top of that to make sure there are no sharp edges. With a little bit of the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, I'm going to put a little bit on my lid and blend that out just to give myself a sticky base for the glittery color that we're going to put on next. Using a flat shader brush, I'm then going to pack this peachy gold shimmer shade all over my lid on top of that concealer. I'm then going to take another blending brush and quickly run over the top line of that glitter shadow to make sure that it blends nicely into the rest of the colors. To deepen up this look a little bit, I'm going to take another fluffy blending brush and dip it into this more warm toned shade, and I'm going to pat this all along the outer V of my eye, blending it into that orange and into the glitter. Using a flat shader brush and this dark brown shade, I'm going to follow the tape line and just lightly draw in a faux wing. The tape really comes in handy here because I'm going to just slightly push that brush up past the tape line and pull in towards the corner of my eye, and you should have a perfect wing point. To finish off my eyes for now, I'm going to go in with a black pencil eyeliner. This one I have is from Ofra. I'm going to line the top lash line and also my inner waterline on the bottom. Moving on to the rest of my face, if you want to see how I do my full foundation, I will leave that video linked above in the I button and down in the description. I set just underneath my eyes for now because we are going to do some cream contouring. I'm going to be using my HOOLA QUICKIE contour stick. If you guys want to see a tutorial on contouring and highlighting, I will also leave that linked up above in the I button. My camera stopped recording, but I just finished blending out that contour and went back and set the rest of my face with my MERCIER Translucent Powder. I'm going to go over the contour now with some powdered contour. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills. With the rest of that bake wiped away, I'm going to jump back into my eyes and finish them up, going back into the same Morphe 350 palette. Using a smudger brush, I'm going to pick up this brown color and smudge that from the outer corner to the inner corner of my bottom lash line. With a pencil brush, I'm then going to go into the vibrant orange shade from before and smudge that whole thing out. Now it's time to bronze. I'm going to be using one that has a little bit of shimmer to it, and this is the LOU-MANIZER from the BALM Cosmetics. Don't be afraid to really pack this on. As long as you carry it throughout the entire face, like down the sides of your nose and under your lip, it'll look uniform and put together. Khloe also loves herself a nice intense blush, so I'm going to be using the color Unstoppable from the REAHLER Be Fearless, Be Limitless blush kit. To make this whole sun-kissed glow even more intense, I'm going to go in with my most vibrant highlighter. This is my BECCA Shimmering Skin Perfector in Moonstone. I'm going to keep this pretty close to my cheeks as opposed to pulling it all the way back to my cheekbones, down the center of my nose, on the center of my forehead, top of lip, and then I'm also going to take a smaller brush and highlight the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. The Kardashians are known for loving their lily lashes in Miami, so I have a pair right here that I'm going to be using today. But before we do that, I'm just going to give my lashes a coat of the Clinique High Impact Mascara on both the top and bottom. For my lips, I'm going to be lining them with the NYX lip liner in soft brown, filling them in with the Ofra Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Bel Air, and going over the top of them with the NYX Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie. The lip gloss didn't give me nearly as much shine as I want, so I'm going to go over my lips one more time with Plump Potion from Physicians Formula. So that that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial on Khloe Kardashian's pregnancy debut look. I'm thinking about starting this as a kind of series on my channel where I recreate celebrity makeup looks. So if you guys would like to see me do this, comment down below which looks you guys would like me to recreate. As always, don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button right down below to be notified when I post new videos every week, and give this video a big thumbs up to let me know that you like content like this. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, your family, anybody you think would enjoy this video. We are almost at 200 subscribers. I can't believe we just hit 100 2 weeks ago and now we're already at 200. I'm very excited to see what 2018 has in store for me and for us and this channel, so, you know, stick around. But until next time, bye guys!